Hey guys, so I kind of need a break from the Hottie Lip Plumper because it got to the point where my lips got so plump it was ridiculous. So I'm going to take a little break from that. I'm just going to do an eye look. I'm going to start by using Lively Pressed Shadow in my crease area right through here, just along the outside. Go ahead and go over to the other side. And I'm only picking up more product as I need it. Okay. Then I'm going to go with this Splurge Cream Shadow in Whimsical, which is this shimmery blue shade. I'm going to go ahead and kind of blend it over towards Lively here. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, pick up this deluxe brush, and then just on the outside, just kind of work it inward, a little bit more in the crease a little bit. Okay, and then for any excess, take my blending brush and just kind of blend it down a little bit. And there we go. So that is the eye look that I'm going with today. Again, I used Lively Pressed Shadow for the outside and the crease area, and Whimsical Splurge Cream Shadow for the eyelid. At this point, I think if I were to use one of the Hottie Lip Plumpers, I would go with the original clear shade because I feel like I got enough fun going on up here. And then of course I would finish it off with Epic Mascara because it doesn't get any better than that. So yeah, thank you guys for hanging out with me while I showed you this little look. I love you guys. Share it if you love it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.